Hello, everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of TV reception. And no, we're not talking about climbing onto your roof with a coat hanger. We're talking about the high-gain Freeview TV aerial August DTA240. This little device is like the David of the Goliath world of TV signal reception. Now, the first thing you'll notice about the August DTA240 is its size. It's small and compact, but don't let that fool you. This little guy is like a ninja when it comes to picking up signals. It's optimized for digital reception, so you can enjoy clear Freeview broadcasting whether you're in your bedroom, loft, or even caravan. Yes, you heard that right, caravans. Who said you can't enjoy your favorite shows on the road? And here's the kicker. The aerial comes with a magnetic base. You can place it on metal surfaces to increase signal reach and reception. It's like a little reception superhero clinging onto metal surfaces and boosting your signal. The August DTA240 is not just for indoor use. Its compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for outdoor use as well. Whether you're in your living room or out camping, this aerial ensures you stay connected to your favorite TV channels. It's like having a little TV reception elf that works tirelessly to keep you connected. Setting up the August DTA240 is as easy as pie. It comes with a standard coaxial cable, making it ideal for use with all digital-ready devices such as Freeview boxes and TVs. And the best part, the antenna just screws onto the base. No PhD in engineering required here. Now let's talk about the cable. This aerial comes with a 6.5 feet cable. That's right, 6.5 feet. You can attach it to the roof of trucks, cars, caravans, and motorhomes with ease. It's like having a little TV reception octopus that reaches out to grab signals wherever they are. Now, while the August DTA 240 generally delivers good reception, some users have reported occasional signal drops, but hey, nobody's perfect, right? These instances seem to be relatively infrequent and do not significantly impact the overall performance of the aerial. In conclusion, the high-gain Freeview TV aerial August DTA 240 is a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use device that delivers impressive TV reception. It's like the little engine that could of TV reception. Despite a few minor drawbacks, the August DTA 240 offers excellent value for money and is a worthy addition to any home.